kapatid, atake ang Monday. Nandito tayo sa Everland sa Seoul, South Korea. O, di ba? Post Squid Game high, I'm sure marami sa inyo may hangover pa sa finale ng isa sa pinakasikat na K-series sa buong mundo. My gosh, syempre nakachikahan natin ang cast tungkol dyan. Na si Panks na rin sila, kagaya natin. Narito po ang report.
Young-hee at Chosu jump rope tapatan in Thailand. Mga pink at black na kabaong sa BGC. May pag-games pa at parada of the stars. Talagang Squid Game finale fever is so on. Kung ang mega fans, nagsimula na ang si Panks o separation anxiety sa show, lalo naman ang cast na eksklusibo nating nakachikahan. Isa nga riyan, si Papa Wiha Jun as Detective Jung Ho.
기뻤습니다.
Joyed. First of all, I was happy because it was over. I felt relief as well. And now that we are, waiting for the last season release, today we're having the press conference and now we're holding this interview together as well. And this leaves me with a sense of maybe a bit of sadness, and I feel like I'm sorry to let this go because I've been with this project for so long.
Ilan sa minahal na Squid Game characters ay sina idol turned actors player 222 Jo Yori at Im Si-wan na marami na ring na-discover sa sarili nang sumabak sa Squid Game.
So the biggest learning came from witnessing and the acting of experienced fellow actors and actresses on site. And I think I had an opportunity to become more mature not only as an actress but as a person.
May mga mamamatay man na karakter sa Squid Game para sa cast. Ang nabuo raw nila na bonding will live on forever. Napapanood ng Squid Game finale sa Netflix.
Yan ang latest sa showbiz mula rito sa Seoul, South Korea. Back to you guys dyan sa studio.